Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, Chuku the Jude is in trouble. Another trouble is looming. And like I always say, fila. Ebusia, this one goes to all the ladies in Ghana. Say only me say Chukudi, anyway you bibi. Now I'm sure bring the secret out. Ebusia Chukude is in trouble. A lady, a fancy lady for that matter, has come out and says 1996 and a Chukudi eshe ni nyensen. Chukudi ansha akwalano meni ukase akwalano 29 good years. Hey, I'm back at it. Guys, our brother Nyash boy, the only person, Nyash to the power. Oh no? Let's go and watch the video. We'll be right back.
Good evening, in your name now the phone. Make sure be our name was the Christian Messianism. In your name now the phone. Miss Ramon there. Munte Massimibi. Opanya Igbo King. Ozama Fado, who Ghana. Miss Ramon there. Mumbete Massimibi. Na mumbeke bima. Na Igbo King na owo Ghana kwan ozema Fado. Na mepa de Igbo King. Ne yer bete Massimibi amam. Ne hu de ye besia te da me yofantin te do wo. Na wo nua besia wo kun kwan ozema Fado. Oshia ma na obohu. Aya yawzo ozema fem. Senye Kristo no hu momo ba nka wa say ma brabo kwa at the age of 19 no 26 years 2000 and years 1996 no 26 na mo 19 years abranti dada mi hye mi nyinsen wie ya ka chem don waran onu mpo nye me problem na yimda enware obi ne ba na esine do pop oyin sen wi ana akeka nkwasi asem otedam de che obi ne ba ma metuwe minyim hwe that time minyim hwe minyim ahoma mbo bia menyim adentel onu no ma kede ma minyim hwe. I wasn't a virgin but na minyim ebia ba ku bi na ma ye na me ye kru bi na meni nji hunti me pa me baby time onu yi pa menye tena first menye se wie abrantu kwasi asem okeka achem enuanu na adofo munte bio da me Igbo King yo wogane kwan ozema Fado ehwa kwan ozema Fado no fra no hodo yo hin na asema oban ndo o hye menyinsen wie mo wo abofran me twado shorts echi mesha da ma atomo gbatimate echi minsen ba mepado hu de ontum mfra no ho do yo hene da wa bra ni first seed went to wanhwe ni first seed menyinsen wanhwe me da chide de ban na mo hu na oto de ban no de amedibi Atnenta care oyim hoshi wawum mikaka hospital oyim hoshi 29 years no lebe December meban nyame adom nyame hiem me benya busumenum na abranti beda adam ka chem do orko Canada oshiam no ka chem de oshiam no wo fi Canada ona nunuanum ne papa wa betna back to Nigeria enti me bani ya busumenum na obeka chem no opedo okko Canada enuanum na adofo da membre ni nyina sana menyene te Ghana no wa pram do orko Canada me di mi de okko Canada small ka chem me de Oroko Orokwa Canada. Na me mama nchen. Na so obi ba na ogbo warema munwa. Ne ba neze. Oye ska obaba aboshem. 1997 me wo 96 me ba nya 5 months 97 no bobo mama ne de orokọ Canada okoba bra onye ska obaba aboshe ne ba enuanom na adofo ani na me bo hu na sana na menye ne tiga na wa walum yanko besi ofim am krom fantinya wa bo melata de ontum nwala owo ho ohia ni ba otidam menye bi na waso nye bi na bedan ba eja obada atomedo na beda adam de rekọ Canada ubenya 29 years enyim wo friend pala mati do was akwa adopting mofra ifra wo hin ani na me bo hu na sana na menye ne tiga na wa walum yanko besi ofim am krom fantinya wa bo melata de ontum nwala owo ho ohia ni ba otidam menye bi na waso nye bi na bedan ba eja obada atomedo na beda adam de rekọ Canada ubenya 29 years enyim wo friend pala mati do was akwa adopting mofra ifra wo hin on hinu short da wo ayi wo yem nsuna agufem na ka fefem red za hyem wa kasa wo ba won e ba dinsa ejinda yewu Kristo wa me yewu e ba da be say ma brabo but me yankopon na amusom no onzi hwambo azaya me yo de say me yin wuti Ghana mbra me pede me yin me ba ne ba brochi me kuro bronya abo wa ma ode me ba brochi a me se me na wo ye ba ne ba e me de fu wo ka che hen de chi da fan papa ne be san ansa na wa ma hen wa ma abofa ne visa a fresh ne papa so wa ka che me de okọ Canada sana Chukwudi it's Ghana nanti ye yipa pon samdam yipa ye yipa pon fodam Chukwudi Prince Howell I want your wife to explain this to you. I can flow in my own language. I don't know how wicked you are. You call yourself a king. A king, you couldn't take care of your first seed. You got me pregnant 1996. You don't know what is antenatal care. You don't know that your baby mother has delivered a baby for you, so you should come to the hospital and pay the hospital and take your daughter and your baby mama to house. Ibokin Chukwudi Prince Howell. Share. Look, I decided not to talk. I was giving some gist that you can come and see me back door, but I saw that you're ignorant, that is killing you. So this is the time I'm coming out. I'm telling you. Come out and deny that you didn't have a child that you said I should name her Linda Grace. Have you ever heard that before? Linda Grace without surname. Are you mad? Or you are a mad king? I want to insult you. I want you, if you hear this, it will pain you because you put me to trauma and pain. You are a stupid king. Under my foot, king. Chukwudi. As my foot. Stupid king like you. Stupid fool. I don't even have to tell you a king because you don't deserve to be called a king. I have to stop it here. Otherwise, I will say so many things that it will rub your name in the gutters and or in the feces. Wicked, stupid mind like you. It's me, Gifty. I've been quiet. I've been watching you. I'm giving you small gist, but I didn't hear anything from you. And I don't want to keep quiet. Since I have realized that you are the Chukwudi, Prince Orwell, 1996, 2025, Chukwudi, Ehinetu. Ehinetu, my foot. Is Prince Orwell dead? Oh God, how wicked you are. You call yourself a king. It's okay. Good evening.
Guys, now I believe you guys saw the video. Chukwudi Jude, come and deny this one too. You see, the lady you do hemle too. The one you do kwak too. And you lie to her that you are going to Canada and that your family is from Canada. Hey! You lied to the lady you are traveling to Canada and that your family members are in Canada. You see, this is another criminal and allegation on you. Come and disprove it. Chukwudi Jude. If you want to deal with Ghanaians, if you think that you are doing us, you are doing yourself because we are about to reveal all the secrets. Ebusia, obia oni Chukwudi aya adebia, adeni son enim no. This is the time. Bring everything out on social media. Let's name and shame. Okay? Let's do what? Name and shame. This is the time to deal with Chukwudi. Anybody, or baby, or babia where you would have one show, bring it. Because if he's able to say, or a king, media mean person members are no po, or a chief or a leader or whatever. Now, or Kwala already 29 years old to me, no. Shame unto you, Mr. Chukwudi. Don't worry. You think, say, you have everything under you, including the top hierarchies. Hey, you run away from Ghana. Disgrace will follow you. Ebusia, thank you guys. Oh, that's it. You be share